Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming back to you with a awesome weight loss drink for you today. All right, this is a powerful drink that's going to help you to lose 20 pounds or at least 20 pounds in 3 weeks. This is powerful. This is a fat burner. This is going to melt the fat. This is going to shrink and slim you down. It's going to stir up your intestines and get all of that gook up out of it. It's going to have you going. You will be pooping because of the powerful ingredients I'm going to show you that we're working with. Now, these are the same ingredients we've used multiple times in different teas and detoxes and smoothies, but we've not done it in this manner, okay? So let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, you guys, so let me show you the things that you're going to need for this awesome tea. You're going to need a blender, so get your blender ready. You're also going to be needing some mint leaves, nice fresh mint leaves. Okay, mint leaves is wonderful for your digestion. It does so many great things for your body. It helps boost you up. This is the season, you guys, okay? We got to boost our immune system up, get it ready for the winter. We're going to be using 1 lime as well as a lemon, okay? If you don't have a lime, you can use 2 lemons. If you don't have a lemon, you can use 2 limes. We're also going to be using some fresh ginger. Also, 1 cucumber. Now, this cucumber, don't laugh at it. This cucumber is looking kind of bad, but I want to use it before it gets worse. So, 1 cucumber. And to help, listen, this is going to help to keep you full longer. And this is our chia seeds. We're also going to be working again with some natural mineral water. Okay? And this is one of my favorites. Alright? So, let's start this video right now. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do to start off with is I'm going to start off with my chia seeds. And in my blender cup, I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of my chia seeds in there. Alright, and we're going to be needing 1 cup of our mineral water. So we got our mineral water, our chia seeds, and now we're going to put in at least 1/4 cup of our mint leaves. Okay, throw that in there. Now we're going to need 3 tablespoons of our ginger root. Now what I like to do when I get my ginger is I like to puree it so it comes into like a paste. It makes it so much easier to use. So I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of my ginger root. Like I said, this is going to be powerful. You could mix this every morning, drink it on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. You can use this as a meal replacement, drink it for breakfast, and you won't need to really eat anything. So next I'm going to be using my lime, alright? So what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to carve out the meat part of my limes and lemons. Alright, and this way you're getting the actual meat of the fruit and not just the juice. Alright, so you're going to carve that out and pop that inside your blender cup. Just be careful when you're carving it out. You don't want to cut yourself. If you get some of the white meat, that's okay too. So you're going to try to get it all the way down to the white meat. And then you're going to do the same thing for your lemon. Okay, peel that right off. Okay. Now this is the fat burning effect right here. This is the fat burning formula right here. Alright, next you're going to do the same thing for your lemon. We're going to carve it out all the way down to the white part of the fruit. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to just squeeze this in here for now and then take out the meat. Because with lemons are more juicier than limes. So you may have a lot of juice all over the place. So squeeze your lemons first. And lastly, we're going to be using our cucumbers. So I'm just going to de-skin mine because this is not an organic cucumber. Alright, and I'll be right back. Alright, so next, just going to cut up my cucumbers. So we're just going to chop that up. And throw that in your blender cup as well. Matter of fact. Alright, so now we're just going to close this up, blend this down. Oh yes. Now you're going to get your Big Mama or Big Papa mug, and we're going to pour that in. Now with this, you have to drink this right after you make it. Only because the chai seeds are going to swell even more and make it even thicker. Next, you're going to pop your straw in there, and you're going to have a wonderful meal replacement of a powerful weight loss drink. Okay? Now let me try it. Woo! Now, like I said, this is powerful. So you're going to taste a lot of the orange, a lot of the lemon, the limes, the mint leaves. Okay? And just know that much. But it's a great morning drink. You consume this every single day for 3 weeks. Alright? Early in the morning, make this as a breakfast. But first, of course, you start off with your detox tea or your green tea and lemon juice. Start off with that. Then you blend your nice morning breakfast. This is your morning breakfast for 3 weeks. Okay, you can take it with you, put it in your to-go cup. But you put it in your nice little big tumbler, sip it on your way to work, and there you got it. Now, what this is going to do is going to cause you to go to the bathroom. You're going to want to pee a lot, so you should always drink a lot of water to replenish your body. Eat very light meals, nothing heavy, and you are going to see the weight shedding off of you in no time. Your friends and family are going to be astonished as to how fast you're slimming down. 20 pounds in 3 weeks. Some of you may lose more, some of you less. It all depends on your body. So just try this drink, and I'm telling you, you will see results. I've heard so many of your stories. So many of you are already losing weight with the teas and detoxes I've been bringing to you. So this is another one for your arsenal. All right? Use this in your arsenal, and you are going to see results. All right, you guys. So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Also, if you're interested in this full-size blender, the NUTRIBULLET, as well as the personal size blender, check out the links down below in the description bar. I have links for all of the items you see in this video today. as well as the metal straws, okay? So, and oh, let me just put this out there. This big mug, I got this from Dollar Tree. So these are all accessible items. Check down below for the links. And I'm telling you, you'll be ready for the next video. All right. So thank you again. And also, you guys, check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs. I have some wonderful content on that video, especially if you're interested in hair care, skin care, fashion hauls, and you get to see my family when we do our little thing as well. Okay, so check out Velvet Vlogs. The links are down below in the description bar. And don't forget, you guys, I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel, you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell. And I will see you there.